What is up, guys? Welcome back. I know it's been a while since I've done a review, and if you're curious about what I've been up to, you should check out our vlog channel actually. So click that link up above. I actually did a Euro trip, but you guys are here for the Super Moon Yellow 500s is what they're calling it. And I think the last video I did was actually on the blush, so I won't go too much into the details with regards to materials because you guys know what it is. It's a Yeezy 500, and these were actually pretty limited. So without further ado, I'll talk about the logistics and how this actually dropped, specifically here in Canada. Surprisingly enough, we didn't get Adidas confirmed for this shoe. So that being said, this shoe is definitely going to be pretty limited. I feel that people are going to want this down the road, and just like the PZ 350, this is something that's going to be sought after. So keep that in mind while I go through this review. One thing to note, I was extremely excited about this colorway, and in person, color pigment itself is very muted. So I feel like Kanye is going for that muted look with all his 500s. You've seen some leaks with the pink, even the blush that came out previously, as well as future colorways, which we'll see in lavender and so on. So let's get this out of the box. We have a typical Yeezy box, 500 on the top. Without that, inside, there's no boost on the shoe. You can see my blush review to get into a bit more of the schematics and the actual details of the shoe, but let's throw these on foot in a bit. Let me get them in my hand actually. So pull out box, typical Yeezy box. If you don't own a Yeezy, pretty sure most of you do. Getting this out of the box right now, and see with this lighting here, summer night here in Toronto, it is just clean. I feel like it's not as bright as a lot of people were thinking. It's not more of a neon yellow, but it's definitely muted, as I mentioned earlier. You can pair this with pretty much anything. It's a pastel yellow is what I'm feeling. You can wear this with jeans. I'm wearing all black, so you can see how I pair this with my fit, hence the channel name. And yeah, let me know what you guys think with regards to materials on this specific pair. I feel like the quality is insanely amazing, especially at the price point, which was around 300 Canadian after tax, which is great. Sizing wise, if you didn't check the other video, I always go half a size up from my V2 size on this specific shoe, just because I feel like it's really padded and it does push your foot forward even further. So there's no flexibility, there's no prime knit on this shoe, but it is mesh with suede, so keep that in mind. Other than that, I'll do a B-roll of the shoe while I talk through this. You do have the typical 500 sole. It is in that very different technology, and we're calling this the Adi Prime sole, which is very comfortable. I found that with the blush. In addition to that, there's no boost, as I mentioned, but I've been wearing this for a while with my blush pair, and the longevity of the shoe, I can wear this for hours and I feel very comfortable. So keep that in mind if you're considering buying the shoe. All that being said, let me know what you guys think about the shoe and my pairing as well. And let me know how you guys rock this, and if you're curious about getting them, I think you should grab them now rather than later, because prices will definitely go up. So check out my on foot after this. Let me know what you guys think. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here as always, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace out.